Kabuni imwe iria ihetwo kandarathi cia gutabania mibango itiganite ya thirikari makaunti-ini ni ciorotetwo ikirikana ni cikoretwo igicerithiria kurika kwa tabarira ici. Gucererwo kwa mibango ino gukirikana ni kuracora mbica njuru ya thirikari na aria mekunyitikana ni megutigithio wira.
We will not allow any delay in any of our projects because the government has given, when money is given, there's also a time frame within which work must be done. So we will not allow any excuse, especially where money has been provided.
University ya Meru ni imwe ya cukuru iria irathie na mbere na kwambatirio ikiro, maabitha aria macerete cukuru-ini uyu makiuga ni maiganire na wira uria urathie na mbere guku.
And we are really appealing to all the stakeholders to continue supporting Meru University of Science and Technology as we dream of really taking care of all the science and technology as dreamt in our Vision 2030, as dreamt in the Big Four agenda.
Kamiti ya guthurima mibango ya uthii wa na mbere gicigo-ini kia irathiro ria bururi yugite ni guthie na mbere na gutabania cikaro niguo gutigirira mibango yothe ya uthii wa na mbere ni yakinyanira. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, Titagwo Gathoni, Wajihie.